Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Twitch and opening Creator Dashboard. This gives you access to the streaming controls. Once there, locate and copy your stream key. That key links your software to your channel, so treat it like a password. Make sure you know which ingest region you prefer. Automatic is fine, but specifying a nearby server can reduce latency and dropped frames. Now that the account and key are ready, move to your broadcasting software to insert connection details and prepare for RTMP discovery. Once your broadcasting app is open, go to Settings then Stream. This is where the RTMP endpoint and key live. If you pick Twitch as the service, many apps autofill the correct RTMP server using the selected region. If not, switch to custom and you'll need the RTMP URL manually. The RTMP URL follows the form RTMP//ingesthost/app. You usually don't change it, but make sure the server matches your chosen ingest region before pasting the stream key and to finish, start a private or unlisted stream and watch the preview to confirm the RTMP handshake succeeded. Your encoder will report a connected status if done right. If you see dropped frames or failed connects, make sure bitrate and keyframe interval match Twitch recommendations and verify your network isn't blocking outbound RTMP ports. If problems persist, regenerate the stream key and update the encoder, or switch to a different ingest server. That single change often resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.